Welcome to episode 14 of Arty Alex. Today's prompt is neurosurgeon. This was a bit of a difficult prompt because it was somewhat hard for me to visualize what one does. I know neurosurgeons work on the nervous system essentially, but how do you portray that? I pored for hours over reference photos until I came across two that were close to what I envisioned. I know that neurosurgeons don't generally use power tools, but I went with one anyways. Why not? It's creepy. So once I got down a base sketch, I went over the image with my Micron .3 fine liner. It was a pretty straightforward process. Coloring the sketch was actually tricky, and before I started coloring on the real piece, I scanned and printed off two copies that I could use to arrange my color palette. I wanted all the shades of green to complement each other, and I wanted the nurse in the background to have a different color surgical gown. I'm still in the process of learning where to draw folds in clothing. Overall, I'm getting back into the groove of making art regularly and learning new techniques along the way. I want to integrate more narrative into my artwork that has the viewer thinking there's more to the story. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Comment below if you have a prompt you would like to see me complete. Thanks for watching. Alex out.